Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to place a trade using your LBANk exchange app. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Right here is our LBANk exchange app. You click on it, and don't forget, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on post notification so that you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. So right here is your LBANk exchange app. So we're going to be clicking on futures because you want to be trading futures. Let's click on futures right here. Once you click on futures, this is how it's going to look like, right? So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So if you come right here, you can see this is our Telegram channel and this is the signal that has been dropped. If you look right here, you can see Gala USDT direction long, which means buy. So right now, let's go back to our LBANk exchange app to search for our crypto pair. On your LBANk exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right there. Once you tap right here, let's type in Gala USDT. So you can see right here is the pair we want to set a limit order for. So right now, you can see right here where it's showing cross. You click on it and change it to isolated, or you'll just leave it at cross if you're okay with the risks, right? So once you set it, you click on this place where it's showing 25x leverage. Then you can adjust it to either 15 or 10x, because we always recommend, as a new beginner trader, you always risk what you are comfortable losing. So let's leave it at 13x. So you click on confirm. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel. You can see our entry right here. Our entry is 0.01898. so let's go back. You type in 0.01898. so right here, don't forget, if it's on market order, you can go ahead and click right here and change it. If it's on market order, you change it to limit order, but right now it's on limit order, so we're just going to leave it. So right here is where you type in the amount of Gala USDT token you want to get. Do you want to get 100? Do you want to get 1000? Do you want to get 500? Depending on how many tokens you want to get. Then your TP, if you want to set your TP, you tap right here. So if you tap right here, you're going to be seeing your TP price and your LCL price. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel. You can see our LCL price right here, which is 0.01853. you type in right here 0.01853. All right, so your TP, always remember to set your take profit and SL, because that is your defensive zone. So right here is our take profit, which is 0.02034. 0.02034. so right now, after setting everything and you've confirmed that everything is correct, right, you now click on this buy icon right here. Once you click on this buy icon right here, once you click on it and you click on confirm right here, you click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, right, your order will be at current orders right here. This order will be pending right at this current orders until market reach this order price you placed on this trade right here. It will appear on positions right here. So if market reach this order price you placed on this trade, it will appear on this price right here. So don't forget to subscribe if you're still watching this video up to this time, and if you don't have an account with LBANk exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account with LBANk exchange app and get a 10% discount when using our promo code. And also, there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share our trade signals every single day. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.